Hey guys, what's good? It's Antonator here. We're about to light off a hell of a lot of fireworks. Again. Like, they're everywhere. Some over there, some over there. What?
Why the frick is that on fire?
It's a phone I'm recording.
What are you recording?
Connor, can you
A video.
repeat that?
Oh, there she is.
About
Oh. What?
Fat Boy, come on, put it on.
He's the Legend 27.
Oh man, where
Connor, come on, can you do Connor? Yeah. Put your Not that bad, alright?
You want to have a flash off?
You want to
Wait.
fight, kid?
Yeah, you want to go?
Fight?
Imagine I just reach over and knock that over. You just get so triggered. Dude, like you can see the fireworks on the camera going off over there. Look.
Stop. Stop. I'm talking to you.
Every pop you hear equals one fish having babies.
Oh, shit.
My God.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
Who was that? Boom! Oh, by the way, did you know that the look at his legs. Look at his legs. You know the things that are reflecting the light? I'm playing with them.
Fucking gay, dude. Like, honestly, why are you just doing this shit?
Why am I not?
Recording other people's fireworks, man. It's fucking bugs. It's mad disrespectful, dog.
What?
It's mad disrespectful.
How?
Recording other people's fireworks.
Like video gets flagged because people are triggered. I didn't say you couldn't record mine.
Alex is doing this shit. Stupid fucking nice man.
Ninjas. Expelliarmus! Avada Kedavra! Beep. Oh, that scared me.
Gotta love the sound of gunshots in the night.
You know, good old sound of gunshots. Look at, dude, they are everywhere.
So many.
You know, gotta get used to that there gunshot. People are shooting like fireworks off over there by the trees. Oh God, I didn't expect that.
Into the window, bam, the entire house on fire. It's that sniffer clan from like 2 blocks down. With a freaking bandit sniffer clan. Straight through a window.
Ah, my ears.
Those things hurt, alright?
Are we having a firework off?
Do you see that one over there?
Yeah. That was cool. It like formed out like with the smoke. We're having like a firework off. Battle of the fireworks. Hope y'all having a good day.
And then there's
Save me.
Are you gonna? Oh, I thought you were just gonna spit it all out over there.
I got you.
Wait, what? I didn't ask for it. How dare you? Please stop, sir. Sir! He's puking. Yeah. No, seriously though, stop. Imagine, Jared, when the fireworks goes off, it like shapes into something.
There are fireworks like that.
Really?
There's some that are shaped like snowflakes, some that are shaped like dragons.
Random people approach. People from the unknown. Drug dealers. No one asked to watch my fireworks. Boy, one of them pulled. Jared, one of them pulls a gun so fast they speed dial 911. That was cool. My